Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing really well. I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to unbox HacktoberFest t-shirt. Yay! HacktoberFest 2020. So actually I got a call a while ago from the nearby post office, and then I got this package, and the package is really looking good. I can see here HacktoberFest 2020. It's an open source program hosted by DigitalOcean. So in this fest, all type of participants, like they are contributors, they are contributing to different type of public repositories on GitHub, and from there, if you got 4 March pull requests, then you will get this t-shirt. So yeah, I got this one. So you can see here my address, and so let's open this up. Yeah, I can see it's OMG, it's sticky. Yeah, I think it's tape. So yeah, oh yeah, so that's it. So you can see here, it is the t-shirt HacktoberFest 2020. Yeah, you can see it here, HacktoberFest 2020. I think it's a bit of big from my size. Oh shit, man, I shouldn't order this one. Oh, let it be. So here are some other things that I have on the package. So here is sticker. Let me just get all of the stickers here. Oh, a lot of the stickers. Yeah, I have got a Octocat. Yeah, you can see circle.ci stickers, and we have got here HacktoberFest sticker. Yeah, you can see here shark, a Dev.2, another HacktoberFest sticker, Mattermost, DigitalOcean. Yeah, I think it's open source indie.com. Here I've got Vonage sticker, and last we have CockroachDB sticker. So it's a lot of swag, and now we have this postcard. Enjoy these stickers, tag us with your laptop pics. So here's the most practical, social and dev. Why do you have a few corporations run most of the code, control most of the data? forum.com/future for empowering community. Thank you GitHub, thank you HacktoberFest for giving me this awesome gift. I really enjoyed this. So I think I have missed something else. There is something else on the package. So it's from Intel. Oh, did you know Intel is among the top 10 contributors to open source software? So it is from Intel and one API. So that's it. So you can see a lot of swags you can get from the HacktoberFest. So I hope that this time you guys will join HacktoberFest and get this awesome swags. So that's it for now. Stay tuned for the next video.